everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. If you have not seen my face before, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. So today we are going to Harajuku. Before we get started in today's vlog, I do want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Dossier. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Dossier is, they are a perfume company that is inspired by luxurious scents. You get a really nice perfume for a fraction of the cost, and it comes in this little box. Their perfumes start at $29, and the cool thing about them is that you can buy it, test it out, see if you like it, and if you don't like it, you just send it back and get a full refund or a different perfume. The scent that I got this month is Citrus Ginger. It comes in this really super minimalistic packaging. Let's test it out. Oh wow, it smells like super fresh. Make sure you head on over to Dossier and go check them out and get a perfume. I do have a discount code, so I'll leave that on the screen right here if you want to go shop with them. And yeah, let's just hop right into the vlog. Okay, so we're almost there. Looks like a microphone, but it's a fan. But it is 99 degrees today. It's so hot.
Really hot.
Yeah.
But it feels like sun is hugging you. That's what you feel.
What's this street called?
Takeshita Street, yeah.
Takeshita?
Yeah.
Okay, so I pronounced it wrong, but it's Takeshita Street.
Takeshita.
We are gonna try strawberry, what's it called?
You were just telling me that.
It's called Strawberry Fetish, but it's like on a stick. So it's strawberries with like a candy coating on top of it.
Ichigo-ame.
Ichigo-ame.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ikimashou.
Ikimashou. There's not as many people here as last time. There's a lot more than what we saw yesterday. This one's so cute too. I already got this one. And there's more over here? Or?
Disney, mainly.
Oh, Disney. Oh, this is all of the Sanrio stuff right here. Wow, there's actually a lot. Oh, there's like little contact thingies if I ever change my contacts out of my eyes. Wait, oh my gosh. I was looking for this. Should I get it? It can only fit an ID though.
Yeah. You can probably put, oh, it says only one.
Yeah, should I get it? I don't know.
Yeah, if you want it.
Maybe. It's only $1, right?
Yeah.
Probably less than that. Yeah, I'll get it. Definitely getting this. What's so funny is it's like over there, but I bought like something to put Q-tips in, but this is like actually a Q-tip holder.
Well.
I'm gonna buy this because it's just so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, I really want this, but like cinema roll, so like if anybody knows where I can get this, let me know.
$100, 200 yen.
Yeah. These ones, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Do I spin it?
Yeah. Spin, spin, spin. Yeah, to the right, yeah.
Over cinnamon.
Did you get the cinnamon?
I don't know.
I really hope so.
How do I pull it? It's definitely not cinnamon.
It's not?
Like that.
Oh.
Is it like...
What's this?
I don't even know the name of it.
They disappointment on your face.
It's cute.
Pom pom print, pom pom print.
Oh,
Do you know?
yeah, I like it. Is it like a clip? I'm confused. We are here. I feel like every 2 seconds I'm sweating. Let's try this.
So good.
Wow, this is really good.
It's actually really good.
Highly recommend. This is so good. It's like hard candy with strawberry on the inside. Ume.
Ume. Ume.
Ume. What would you guys rate the strawberries?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? I'd say 10 out of 10 too.
I would say 9.
9?
It was much better than I expected.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta go. Oh my god, cinnamon roll is outside. That's so cute.
Great.
I had one from Denny's, but it's not like this. That's what it looks like.
How is it?
Good.
Good? Nice.
Oh my gosh. You ate the whole ice cream, Haruki. Did you see that?
You're right.
The rest of the ice cream is mine.
Took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right.
So apparently, if you have a certain amount of subscribers, you get something for free. So this is in Japanese, but I'll translate. So 100,000 subscribers equals 500 yen of something in the stores. So each of us gets 500 yen.
Yeah,
That's-
500.
that's
Well,
what?
dollars.
Right?
So like around like $400.
Yeah.
Wait, 500 yen?
No.
Isn't 500 yen like $5?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like
50,
it says
50,
50K,
50.
right?
Yeah.
Oh.
50,000 yen. That means like $400 or something.
So we get
Yeah,
400
each.
something dollars.
Yes.
Wow.
So if it's combined, 800 in total.
That's crazy.
This is crazy.
So I guess we get a free shopping spree. What are you guys gonna get?
Whoa, receipts.
I feel like with that amount of money, we can do like full makeover.
They have this shirt, and this is where I'm actually from, and this is in Japan.
Ooh. Yeah, you can wear it. Fetish skirt. I was gonna say. Ooh.
Like it?
Yeah, I like that.
Nice.
This is really
With
nice.
these shorts, it's nice too.
You can wear that for Disney.
Yeah.
It's perfect. I like that. Color is really nice.
I like it.
It matches to your skin color. Yes. Oh, nice.
like it?
Yeah. I like this part. I didn't see that.
Yeah, this is cute.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Oh, I like that one a lot. Yeah.
Kawaii.
Kawaii. Yeah, I love that one a lot. I think I like that the most. Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Nice.
yes.
I like it. I can wear it as a dress.
I love that one.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
It's perfect.
One more.
One more. Oh, looks good though.
Oh, I got this Nike hoodie. I can wear
Looks
it as
good.
a dress. This for Haruki's mom.
Mm-hmm.
Kawaii. I got this for my brother. Got this as like a sleep shirt. I actually really like this shirt. I can wear this like as a regular t-shirt, which
Yeah.
I need. It's a Santa Cruz t-shirt, which I've actually always wanted one of these.
What's that?
They sell them at Zumiez.
Like
We didn't
timing.
know this before
Yeah.
we got here. Like it was just like so random. There was a sign that said that if you have a certain amount of followers, you get like a certain amount of clothes or something. So the store is called Grizzly. Check them out if you're in Harajuku in Japan. Arigatou gozaimasu. So grateful. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh,
that was so nice of them. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. See more of my videos. I hope you enjoyed today's video and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Peace out. Bye bye.